Welcome to the Crochet Channel, the best place in the universe to learn crochet online. It's great you're here today because it's always a lovely day to crochet. If you like crochet or kittens, or you just want to help me out, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your Crochet Channel videos. Yay! First of all, we are going to learn the basics of crochet stitches. So to begin, you will need to create a slip knot. You're done! And then crochet a chain. Next, let's move on to crochet a slip stitch. Next, crochet single crochet. Next, crochet half double crochet. Next, crochet double crochet. And the last one, crochet treble crochet. These are the crochet stitches you need to know. If you are ready, let's get started on the exciting crochet project. First, create a magic circle. And then crochet chaining 1. Next, crochet 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pull the tail. Join the first round with the first single crochet. And then crochet chaining 1. For the second round, crochet 2 single crochet, increase in every stitch all the way around for 6 times. First time, second time, 1, 2, 3 times, 1, 2, 4th times, 1, 2, 5th time, and the 6th. And then join with slip stitch from the first single crochet. So for the third round, crochet 1 single crochet, and next crochet 2 single crochet, increase. So keep continuing crochet 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet for 6 times in every stitch. Keep continuing and then join with slip stitch from the first single crochet. Next, for the fourth round, crochet chaining 1, and then crochet 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way around, and you will have 18 single crochet stitches. Now I have 18 single crochet stitches, and then join with slip stitch. And then for the fifth round, repeat from the fourth round by crochet chaining 1, and then crochet 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way around, and you will have 18 single crochet stitches. Now I have finished with the fifth round, and then slip stitch, and then Repeat this one for one more time and you will have 2 of this. Keep continuing. Now I have finished 2 of this. Next, this one and this one together. Yarn over, pull it through, pull the tail, and then crochet 1 single crochet. For this one we need 16 single crochet. I have 1, 2, 3, 15, 16, and then skip 2 single crochet, and this one skip 2 single crochet and crochet in the next one. 17, 18, 19, and 32, and then slip stitch. Now we have created the 6th round, and for the 7th round, for the 7th round, crochet 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then crochet 2 single crochet, decrease 1 and 2, and then yarn over, pull it through. Next, crochet 6 single crochet and then 2 single crochet, decrease all the way around this one, and then slip stitch from the first single crochet. Now I have finished with 7th round, so for the 8th round, crochet chaining 1 and then crochet 28 single crochet stitches all the way around, 1 and 2. So keep continuing crochet 28 single crochet and then slip stitch from the first single crochet at the end. Now I have finished with the 8th round, so for the 9th round, crochet chaining 1 and then crochet 5 single crochet and 2 single crochet, decrease for 4 times, and then slip stitch from the first single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 single crochet, decrease. Now I have first time, so I have to repeat for 3 times more. Keep continuing. Next, crochet chaining 1 and then crochet 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then crochet 2 single crochet, decrease. So keep continuing, crochet 4 single crochet and 2 single crochet, decrease for 4 times, and then join with slip stitch and crochet chaining 1. Next, crochet 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then crochet 2 single crochet, decrease. Keep continuing and see you when. So keep continuing, crochet 3 single crochets and 2 single crochet, decrease for 4 times. Keep continuing, and then join with slip stitch from the first single crochet. and then crochet chaining 1. Next, crochet 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and then crochet 2 single crochet, decrease, 1 and 2. Keep continuing, crochet 2 single crochet and 2 single crochet, decrease for 4 times. Keep continuing. Now I have finished, and then join with slip stitch from the first single crochet, and then crochet chaining 1, and then crochet 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet, decrease. Keep continuing, crochet 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet, decrease for 4 times. Now I have finished, and then join with slip stitch from the first single crochet, and then the last round, crochet chaining 1 and crochet 2 single crochet, decrease for 4 times. Keep continuing. Now I have finished, and then join with the first single crochet from this one and slip stitch and crochet chaining 1. And then time to weave the tail. Now I have finished with the heart. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the Crochet Channel for lots of exciting, easy, and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Be kind to someone today, and keep smiling until the next video.